it takes and you remain to live life.
This is not a test. This is your official government emergency alert system announcing that there are creatures as cannibals, zombie devil-like crawlers going around the world. Affected cities and countries like California, Russia, New York, San Francisco, Mexico, Canada, and others. You only have 72 hours to survive this outbreak. Police, fire, and emergency services will be in lockdown till 72 hours at 7 a.m. when the outbreak concludes. All other weapons, including rocket launchers, explosives, tanks, and other weapons to fight them, are restricted. Some say it's the end of time, the end of the world, the end whole entire reality, and the end of all humanity. Good luck, survivors.
We live life.